Okay, so guys, guess what? Yes, I have a new keyboard. It is fully pre-customized with the black and white keycaps. Currently, it's unplugged. It's very nice and clicky. Very easy to type on. And it has mainly white pudding keycaps and some of the included black keycaps. So I'm just gonna plug it in really quick. Looking at it turn on is absolutely amazing. Here's the keyboard itself with RGB and everything. It's very nice. So I'm gonna give it a little bit of a type test. Here you go. Wait a sec, let me just position the phone. So let's type. So yeah, really good at typing. Here's what I typed out, if you want to see. Yeah, it's an absolutely amazing keyboard. It is the ZEB max-v2 with blue switches. It is 100% customizable, hot swappable, and lubable. So with that showcase, I'll just end it here and see ya.